get cooking. Hi everyone, and welcome back to another edition of Slow Cooker Bill Presents Orange Chicken. It's a real tasty treat. We're going to fry the little pieces of chicken on the stove and get them just golden brown on the outside, but not cooked on the inside. That's what this guy's for. You want to try and keep the chicken nice and tender while it's cooking inside the slow cooker. Well, I've got everything in order, so let's get cooking. Okay, first, before you get started, it's very important that you get your hands washed and clean because you are going to be handling chicken. And you want to try and get your pieces of chicken something like this here, okay? And then we'll just cook these on the stove. But before we get to that, we have to, what we call drudging our chicken. So to do that, we're going to get a Tupperware and we're going to add in about a quarter cup of cornstarch. Okay? And then we're going to put our chicken in here, a little bit at a time. Now I'm using 5 pieces of chicken thighs. You can use 3 breasts if you like. I had a couple of small chicken thighs and that should be enough. And then we put the lid on here. We're going to shake it up a little bit, side to side, back and forth, up and down. And let's do a little round circle on that. All right. And that's how your chicken is supposed to look. Okay, just like that. All right, we're going to coat the rest of this chicken, and then we're going to put it on the stove and put about maybe a quarter cup of cooking oil on the stove. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I had just enough oil in the bottom of my pan, just enough to cover the pan. You don't want too much oil in there because then you'll be fighting it. I have it on medium, so my stove is 1 through 10. I have it at a 5. All right, so it's about half. Now, after you get done coating your pieces of chicken, that's what it should look like. All right, your little bite-sized chicken pieces are going to look something like that. I ran out of cornstarch, so I had to use flour for the rest. Now we just pour it over the chicken. All right, we just pour that right on top of the chicken just like that. And now we give this a little stir, make sure everything gets coated. We're going to put this on high for 3 hours, okay? Okay, that looks pretty good to me. Okay, so in a 4-quart slow cooker on high for 3 hours. I'll see you then. Okay, our 3 hours on high has passed. Look at that. I'm going to mix it up real good here real quick. Just look at that. Boy, doesn't that look yummy. Okay, I have prepared some rice. We're going to put some of that right on top of the rice. And there you have it. Orange chicken. And there you have it. Orange chicken and a savory sauce over some rice. Let's see how it tastes, right? Looks delicious. Yeah. Got a real sweetness to it. The chicken is so tasty. Oh my God, is it good. You're going to really enjoy this. Please, if you make this, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. If you're not a member yet, just subscribe. That's right. Real simple to do. If you're not a member yet, or don't know how to create an account, I have a link down below. Just click on it. I'll walk you through it step by step. It's no charge to sign up, and it's easy to do. And for all you loyal subscribers, I really appreciate you subscribing to my channel. This has been another Slow Cooker Bill presentation. Y'all take care of yourself and be safe.